In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Interactive Brokers Trader Workstation. We'll start by heading to the official Interactive Brokers download page for Trader Workstation, often called TWS. Always use the official IBKR site to avoid outdated or unsafe installers from third parties. When you arrive, you'll see download options for Windows, Mac, and Linux, so you can grab the installer that matches your computer. Next, choose your operating system. If you're on Windows, select the 64-bit option. That's what most modern PCs use. Mac users should pick the Mac OS installer, and Linux users will choose the Linux package. Once you've selected your platform, you'll notice multiple TWS versions are available. Choose the latest build, which is recommended because it includes the newest features and important fixes. If you work in an environment that requires a specific version, follow your organization's guidance. Otherwise, latest is the simplest and safest choice. Click to download and let the file finish saving. After it's downloaded, open the installer. On Windows, that will be an .exe file. On Mac, it's a .dmg, and on Linux, it's a .bash script. Your system might ask you to confirm that you want to run software from the internet. Go ahead and allow it if it's from the official IBKR site. Now, run the installer and follow the on-screen steps. You'll typically accept the license agreement and either keep the default installation location or choose a different folder. If you're not sure, the defaults are usually best. You might be prompted to enter your computer's administrator password or approve changes. That's normal for software installation. When the installer finishes, launch Trader Workstation. You can usually start it right from the final screen of the installer, or you can find it later in your Start menu on Windows, your Applications folder on Mac, or through your Application Launcher on Linux. The first launch may take a moment while TWS initializes. At the login screen, sign in with your IBKR username and password. Make sure you're on a secure network, double-check that Caps Lock isn't on, and be ready to complete any two-factor prompts if you have them enabled. Once you've logged in, you're all set and ready to start using Trader Workstation. That's it. Open the official TWS download page, choose your operating system, pick the latest version, download, run the installer, launch the app, and log in. Keep the download page bookmarked for future updates, and you'll always have quick access to the newest release. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your trading with TWS.